In regards to Speaker's Rules number 5, which is part of what guides us here, senators are required not to enter into the chamber, lounge, or dining room without being properly dressed. I will not want to read the whole of it and the entire bit. But Mr. Speaker, I'm getting a little impatient because you had promised to deliver a ruling on the second day that I made that request. Because, Mr. Speaker, and this is a very serious issue, we are just about to discriminate a religion in this particular house. And that is a matter that we need, because it is very clear here that the religious attire is allowed in this house. I came here in an Indian religious attire.
Properly dressed?
No. Nobody is not properly dressed, Mr. Speaker. We only want your guidance.
Who is being discriminated, Senator Med?
It is me who came in an Indian attire in this house and you chased me out.
These are things which appeared last year.
They did not appear last year, Mr. Speaker, because, Mr. Speaker, you know why...
but if you are a gentleman enough, you could have worn the same attire, then you come and raise your issues when you're in that...
No, you had said that you shall rule.
Today you are properly dressed, so let us make progress.
So I'll come with it. I presume that you have allowed us to come.
Just tomorrow.
Okay, all right.
Tomorrow come with it.
Okay,
then we handle it when you are on.
I have many of them, Mr. Speaker. I'll come with one tomorrow.
Okay, come tomorrow. We'll meet here tomorrow afternoon.